Killed it! Yes! Yo, Chad, what you telling me? Hey, y'all. I don't actually know whether there's anyone online. It never shows me, so I'm gonna wait for someone to say hello in the chat, maybe.
Mine doesn't actually show anymore.
It does, like, when I'm like 10 minutes in, then it shows me, but for the first 2 minutes, it just, like, says that there's no one about. 6, 7.
Go, Alan.
6, 7. 6, 7. Wait, why are you guys saying? Why are you both say 6, 7? Where did I say 6, 7?
Everyone's just
Fried. Guys, I've got dill dip.
Can't help her. She's been talking about this all morning. Hey all, Santa Trades. Here again. There is echo, for God's sake. It's you crunching down the mic, that's what the echo.
Is it actually like bad echo? What about now? Oops, I didn't mean to do that. How about now? It's because I had to change the mic input because it wasn't working the other day. I'll try and change it back and see if it works. Probably won't. Not gonna lie, but I'll give it a whirl.
This is my new backtesting journal.
Maybe don't speak for a minute 'cause the audio might not work. Hello? Oh, it's still working. Oh, wait. Hello? Yeah, it's still working. Okay. Let me just chat. Okay, that should hopefully be better because I've changed it now. Now it's good. Okay, great.
It's lagging.
Yeah, I know it is
It's
lagging.
crazy.
It's lagging. Okay, let me just put an announcement on my friggin' story saying that we're live because I think there's only one person on right now and it's definitely Alan. Okay, well, no, we've got 5 people. That's better. Okay, I'm just going to put a quick announcement on my story to say that we're live right now. We won't go until we get some. Live for Trade Mers Day 4, giving away an account today. Come join. There we go. How's everybody doing? How's everybody's day? How's everybody's weekend? Me and Hannah, well, we went out on Friday and got a little bit drunk. If you saw my TikTok story, then you'll already know that. I posted something weird for a change. Right, let's put the link. The dill dip is kind of tasting weird. Yeah. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. When do y'all not get drunk? Honestly, we're not even bad. Like, December has been awful for us. Like, we're not usually this bad, I swear. But it's just like we've had too many things on. We're just so popular. That's the issue.
Wasn't I? Are usually the ones to be like, no.
Yeah.
Drinking is for the unemployed. Oh, here we are.
Facts.
I know you from market. Wow.
Right. Let's see. Wagwan. Not trading today. I want to reiterate that. I'm not trading any sort of funded account. I'm just going to forward test or maybe like paper trade. Because the markets, I don't know what the hell they're going to do like today or tomorrow. Like we might have zero volatility. Like they might be clean as well, but I'm just not risking it this week. Like I'm happy to just wait for the new year and start fresh then, I think. So, I mean, these equal highs look very nice on NQ and this high for ES. We've had this huge new day opening gap, which I am just going to mark out. I feel, in fact, I'm just going to mark that out with lines. Do pink lines so I know whereabouts that is when I drop to a lower time frame. Yeah, so huge new day opening gap on both. Clear draw for the daily chart, in my opinion, is higher. In terms of the 4 hour, we've got London low left open as well as Asia low left open. So they could be a potential like reversal draw if we are going to go lower at the open, which right now I don't think we will, but see once we drop to lower time frames what our thoughts are. So yeah, we've got those two targets there. Oh, why is that writing bigger? I don't like that. Let's change that. Okay. The 1 hour chart then, we have had a 1 hour change in the state of delivery on that 7 a.m. candle. We seem to just be kind of climbing higher without any form of retracement, but I am just going to mark out this unfilled hourly bullish fair value gap right there. There isn't one on a yes. 30-minute chart, same sort of thing. Tapped into a 30-minute fair value gap, headed higher. Looks like we are going to come for this draw on both, to be honest, but we'll see what happens at the open. Looks like we're going to form a 15-minute gap there. 5-minute chart, we tapped into this 5-minute gap, had a change of the state delivery on the 5-minute as well. So yeah, I'm super bullish going into market open. Let's see like the time frame charts. Yeah, I'm definitely bullish. Definitely bullish. Where is that draw? That draw is really far away. Is there any like closer bullish draws anywhere we can see? Are we inside? Okay, we're inside this gap from the 11th. You won't go until you get some. Yo. Know you from Market Lens. How you doing? I'm good, thank you. How are you? I'm not really like participating in the Market Lens anymore, but yeah. Thoughts on forex? I don't really have thoughts on forex. Some people are successful with it, but in my opinion, like futures is just elite. You made an awesome choice joining Spaghetti. Honestly, I've not really. I was on there for like 2 days and I've not really looked at it since then. I'll be real. I'm just trying to do my own thing now. Why not trade pre-market? Is extremely clean and has good direction. I just don't want to trade this week. I just think like this week is a time for chilling out and like we have potential for bad price action. So I'm just gonna like paper trade and kind of observe. Never traded December before. I know ICT is no longer trading, so until I like have gathered my own data on what this week is like, which I probably have back tested this day at some point, but like I want to paper trade for now. I don't feel like I'm experienced enough to be trading like this time of year. Merry Christmas. What are your targets for the day? My targets for the day are honestly these like equal highs on NQ. I think we have good potential to come up to here. But we are like filling in this old new day opening gap. Interesting. I might also mark that out. Yeah. Whereabouts is that on ES? Okay, yeah. But ES looks more likely to come to this high than NQ, to be honest, so we could have some form of SMT. I don't know. We'll just have to see. We'll just have to see what goes wrong. Goals for the new year. Goals for the new year. Honestly, goals for the new year for me is to take my first payout. Like that's a super obvious one. But I also don't like putting time limits on my goals because I feel that when you deserve something, like you will get it, you know, no matter how long that takes. And you never know like what other things could present themselves which could like skew off your timeline. So I'm like a big believer of just like trusting in the process. Like whenever I deserve that payout, like I will get the payout. Like that's just how trading works. Like when you're deserving of a payout, you get a payout. And when you're not deserving, yeah, you might be able to like fumble your way to like one payout by gambling, but you'll probably end up blowing your account after anyway. So like I'm so like, I'm gonna be honest, like if I was like stupid with my funded accounts, like yeah, I probably could have had a payout by now. Like I can afford like as many evals really as I could possibly need, you know. But I don't want just one payout. Like I want to be consistent. Like I want to like trading to be like an actual sustainable income for me. So I don't want a payout until I can make that happen, you know. Like I don't want just like a one-off payout, which like yeah, it looks good on social media, but it actually just doesn't mean anything, you know. Honestly, I think I like longs on ES more than NQ if I was going to take anything. For sure. I think waiting until we've kind of like got above this range will be ideal. Look like we're creating a 15-minute gap, or we're going to, so we could potentially manipulate lower and tap into that and then head higher, or we could just tank higher. Who knows? Who knows? I expect ES will tap into this 15-minute gap that we have on the open. I would expect that it will. What's everyone's plans over Christmas? Is anyone doing anything exciting? I'm just chilling, really. I'm making Christmas dinner on Christmas Day for my family, but other than that, not really doing very much. I definitely like longs, like with this as a target, but I just don't know where an entry would be yet. We won't go until we get some. Okay, yeah. ES has tapped into that 15-minute gap and has swept this low. And Q has not yet. Okay, yeah, it just has. I like that manipulation lower. I think that's nice to go higher as we were kind of consolidating a little bit. We won't go until we get some. We do have some internal SMT, which is nice. On NQ. NQ has not taken that low. Respecting the 15-minute gap nicely. I honestly think like once we're above there, unless we create a fair value gap here. Or even on ES. Like I still prefer longs on ES, I think.
Those approximity.
Yeah, like this is that's the target on NQ, that's the target on ES. So defo longs on ES, like something like that would be nice, I think. Ooh. Honestly, stop loss like just below 0.5 of this wick. Disrespect that it's gonna sweep it anyway, so. No.
Oh my god.
Bro. That's so sad.
Oh no.
No,
No, I'm not trading today or tomorrow or the day after or any more of 2025 for that matter.
Yeah, Hannah ain't trading. Hannah ain't trading.
And if I do, it's FOMO. I'm watching Claudia.
FOMO. I'm not trading either, so.
Oh no, but you are on the chart.
Yeah. I am looking at the charts. Where's 0.5? Oh, wow, that's a huge break. I need to turn my WhatsApp notifications off. I've been saying that for a while. Okay, 0.5 is literally.
She is waiting for the candle closure.
The candle has closed. The candle has closed. I think if it creates a fair value gap here, I think like some. Oh. Yeah, like up to 0.5 of that wick. I think would be nice. I also don't like NQ. I don't think NQ looks very nice.
NQ's funky.
NQ's funky as hell. I think waiting to see what happens to like this gap and then I would take an entry potentially. Nothing yet though. Beep! Who's beeping? Who's beeping? We have internal SMT though, so I think if we respect this gap, I'd take longs, but if we disrespect, then definitely not. NQ's kind of tanking. What is this gap? Okay, that's the hourly gap that NQ is just tapped into now. Okay, yeah, I think long's kind of off the cards for now. Unless we get a huge wick on that candle. Doesn't look likely right now. NQ's dumping in. Yeah, okay. Not longs there. Definitely not.
What the hell?
What the hell? That's midnight open. Oh, that's literally the same as London though. Okay, that's definitely a big draw then. 3 minute, 2 minute. 1 minute. That's definitely a draw. To be fair, we do have lots of draws below us. Like, we have Asia low and London low and this new day opening gap. So, that makes sense. I'm surprised that ES did not come and take this out though.
Yeah.
That's surprising. Very surprising.
Wow, look at that candle. Easy.
Crazy candle. Crazy candle. Okay, we didn't close over that. We have a huge 1 minute gap right there. Which ES is trading into right now, but NQ is not. We won't go until we get some. Whereabouts are we in terms of this like full range? Yeah, we're like at 0.5 this range. So if we're gonna go higher, then we're gonna reverse around here. But we seem to be respecting that gap. I think if that candle closes bearish, I would want to enter. But I just don't know where I would put my stop in this situation. Maybe 0.5 of the gap and target the new day opening gap. Yeah, I think that'd be nice. I think that's probably the entry that I would want to take here. So let's see if it plays out. I'm going to forward test that and see what happens. Maybe even 0.5 of this gap as like a final target, essentially. As like a final target, but like take like 75% off there. Let me just like put some text. And then where would we go break even? Honestly, break even at Asia low, I think. Smart. I'm not trading just because we are so close to Christmas and I didn't know what price action was going to be like this week. So I am just kind of forward testing for my own data, just seeing if there's anything I like. Honestly, I do like shorts down to here. The stop loss placement is not super ideal, but I do think if we disrespect 0.5 of this gap, then there's potential that we're not going to head higher anymore because we have this huge wick. And if we make our way through this huge wick, like I would ideally not want it to come into this gap anyway, but you still kind of have to let it. But yeah, I think this trade could be nice down to this new day opening gap because we have London low just here, Asia low here, and then a new day opening gap here. So they are like nice, super nice targets to have. So I'm just going to forward test like and add this to my data, really. Just like for extra data, extra screenshots, you know. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. Da 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 da. Let's see what happens. There's actually not a lot of volatility really right now. It doesn't feel like. Let me look how many handles that is. Okay, I mean, it is like nearly 100 handles, so yeah, it's actually not too bad volatility-wise, but yeah. This would be an ideal setup for me, though, I feel. We are kind of stalling at London low, and we do have SMT at London low with ES, which is obviously not ideal. But I don't know whether I would have, probably wouldn't have taken this on a funded, maybe on an eval, just because we have SMT at London low, but I feel like I would have liked to take this on an eval anyway, because like we do have some major draws going on here, but we do have potential to come back up into here, but I don't feel like we need to if we're super bearish. Is Hannah a mogger? Yeah.
I mean,
Hannah's a mogger.
that's some sort of insult.
Yeah, I honestly don't like the SMT. I didn't even like think about that, to be honest. You could be right. You could be right. NQ, ES seems to be wanting to go lower, but NQ is just kind of stalling. I'm gonna note that on the screen so I got that. We do have SMT. Ooh, what? SMT at London low. So taken on a funded. I feel like this is like good for my data because I can see whether like which overpowers which. Like when we have super clear draws right here in close proximity, but we have SMT, like whether it's still worth taking a stab at it, even if it was low size. But definitely in my current state of affairs, I would not take this on unfunded. Always buy the dip. Bruh. You and your king. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Everything's stalling. Everything is stalling. Everything is awesome. Everything is cool when you're part of a team. Everything is awesome. You tell him, Hannah.
We live in a dream.
I like that candle closure. I think that's nice. If we can close over London low, then I think we should be good. At least get a break even. But I think if we come to Asia low, we're going to go to the new day opening gap realistically. Sweet as sugar, beautiful like the sunrise. Claudia, my dear, how are you doing? I'm great, thank you. How are you? Did you take this on an eval or no? I'm just forward testing this week. I'm not taking anything on evals or my fundeds just because like I feel like I'm not experienced enough to be taking trades this week. Like if ICT's not trading this week, why the hell am I trading? You know? ICT the GOAT. ICT the GOAT. We can close over London low, then I'll be pretty happy. I'll be rooted with confidence. We'd close on. Okay, no, we did close above it. Wow. Wow. Wow, bro.
Want to drop out of uni?
You want to drop out of uni? Do it.
No,
Do it. Do it. Drop out.
I'm telling my parents you just.
No, don't tell them. They'll hate me. Don't tell them I said that. They'll hate me. What? I know, she actually, or else she would come for me. What uni degree?
The most irrelevant one probably I could have done. International business.
This is super choppy for 9:44.
Most of the move at 91.
Yeah. Fact. There is no news today. Hey guys, will you be taking any time off the charts over Xmas and New Year? I want to take a break, but scared I will forget everything. So I'm not trading today or tomorrow, and obviously Christmas Eve, like I'm busy. I'm just forward testing just for my own data and just like so I can stream and give away accounts. Really, like if I wasn't streaming, I probably wouldn't even be forward testing. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe I would, but definitely not taking anything this week. And then like full next week. Like I want to see a calendar, actually. Of like what the dates are next week. Honestly, don't know.
Yeah, when it hits like after Christmas Day, I genuinely don't know what day I'm on until about the Jan.
Yeah, I think like after tomorrow, like I won't be looking at charts for the rest of this week. That's for sure. Like obviously Wednesday's Christmas Eve, then we've got Christmas, Boxing Day, and then Saturday, Sunday. So 100% will not be looking at the charts. I think Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, I think like next week as well, I will just take the full week off and then come back on the 5th of Jan. I think that's definitely the best idea because like realistically, 1st of January, I'm going to be hanging out my arse. And the 2nd of January, like I just want to reconnect with nature, I feel. So yeah.
Oh my.
What's wrong? Oh. Oh dear. It's not ideal.
I've got 2 weeks.
Okay.
Lock in, gang.
Lock in. This is so choppy. This is so disgustingly choppy. Good morning, Claudia. Good morning. Good morning. So choppy. So choppy. No new highs being created. No new lows being, well, a tiny new low, but not really anything too major. That's my plan too. I don't think I will trade until 3rd week Jan. I have heard this is when market picks up, but not sure. It's my first. Yeah, honestly, same. Like I didn't get fully into trading this year until probably Feb. So I didn't trade January. So I'm gonna start from the 5th. And just like see, but I'll be like very cautious. And unless something is super obvious to me, then I won't trade. Like there's no way I would have taken this on a funded. Hell no. First day home from uni, I have flipping food poisoning. Watching the charts is taking me out right now. Honestly, go to bed if you have food poisoning. Don't watch this rubbish. This is not worth your time. Or listen to like ICT motivational podcast while you're throwing up.
One life.
Your work looks like age.
Oh. Off your chair, I think.
Bro. Yeah. Oh, that is actually off my chair. You probably do need to put that back in on a reel.
Yeah. I think
Can you please check 30 seconds? Sure. There you go. I don't really look at the 30-second chart, I'll be real.
I'll be real.
I'll be real. No. You don't need a screwdriver for that. You might need an Allen key, but I think I have one. Do I have an Allen key? Yeah. Oh, and a screwdriver.
Wow. Intrigued.
There you go. Oh, there's spare little tiny screws in there. So what is that from? I have no idea.
Well, I found one of those screws and
Maybe the chair is just falling apart. Guys, Hannah's broke my chair. No Christmas dinner for you. What the hell?
seen that red folder news?
Yeah! Has anyone seen that Red Folder News Instagram account? I want to be featured. Where's my feature? Yeah, actually, no, I don't. Alan said L, Hannah.
Hannah is...
No.
No, she's not.
Throw out that fur buying up. That's going to be the make or break of the day. Of this forward test.
Well, Alan,
It doesn't. Oh. I wonder what that's from then. I definitely used that thing, so it's something that I've built. I feel like it is from there. I haven't really built anything else. Hmm? No, my parents did, but I definitely used that kit. I remember that screwdriver. Chat, we might be cooked. Very slightly cooked. Very, very, very slightly cooked.
that's for...
Is that also 0.5 of this? Yes, it is. Wow, that's wonderful. Hannah. That's actually just your name now, Hannah.
Even on like posts, I've seen people like
These carrots are horrible. We're so cooked, guys. Thank God we didn't take this. Thank the Lord. Look at that respect for London Low. That's actually crazy. That is nice. Ooh. Ooh. To be fair, like, if this loses, it's high key my fault. There's literally SMT at London Low. High key my fault. Not gonna lie. That respect for London Low, that's actually beautiful.
big respect.
Big respect. Wow, that candle open has told me all I need to know. That's told me everything. Go on. Claudia, you look gorgeous. Thank you so much.
Got back pain.
You got back pain? It's because you're old. She's old. She's 30. Did you guys know Hannah's 30? I bet you didn't know. She doesn't look 30.
Right, here we go.
She doesn't look it, but she is, I promise.
Chair that I've been given. Or even get me a proper chair.
Have you seen that staircase? I'm not being fucking funny. Bring your own goddamn chair.
Seen the staircase? I'm not bringing my own goddamn chair.
Well, you get what you're given then. Damn, Hannah is pushing 40. Yeah, she is. She is, guys. Hannah's pushing 40. Yeah. WhatsApp.
What's that going over the hill? Is that a hex bug?
Oh my gosh, hex bugs. I used to have those.
I did too.
Oh my gosh, I had so many of those. That's just such a random memory of mine. Hex bugs.
Bringing all the throwbacks today.
You really are bringing the throwbacks. Why is this just not hitting my stop loss? Like, I'm not being funny, but just hurry up. If you're going to do it, get it over and done with so that we can vibe. Honestly, what is this price action though? This is actually so unbelievably slow. Like, in like 10 minutes, we've moved 50 handled. Okay, that's actually not that bad, is it really?
Messy.
It just looks disgusting. It looks disgusting. High key not even going to hit my stop loss. But high key going to reverse right now.
Loving the optimism.
Yeah. She's optimistic. She's optimistic with it.
Ooh.
Ooh. We're literally one tick away. Bro.
What the heck?
Bro. So funny. Hurry up. Ooh. There we go.
Ding,
there we
ding,
go.
ding.
Ding, 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 ding. Okay, this is actually a good trades forward test because that is actually... See, so funny because I was doing back testing before and the main thing that I write in my back testing journal is you forgot to check the higher time frame. Like, I literally forget to check the higher time frame. Like, if I had checked the higher time frame right now, I would have realised, okay, we've got SMT at London low. I'm reacting from a bullish fair value gap, babe. Like, what are you doing? But I didn't check the higher time frame. I just entered. Like, I checked the 15-minute time frame, and that's about it. And then I'm like, right, that's enough. Absolutely ridiculous. Yeah. We had a high key. Longs up to here look lovely. I'm long. Nice. Nice. Longs look fire right now. I'm gonna screenshot that later. Because that's high key. Great. Where should I put that? I need to just paste that. I'm just gonna paste that. I'm gonna paste that in Hannah Trade's Discord server. For later. There we go. Honestly think once we've inversed this 1 minute gap, longs on a yes look nice. What? What are you laughing at, you idiot?
You.
Why?
Don't know. Oh.
Right. Okay. Kill myself then. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Price action is so dead. I'm so happy I'm not trading like this. Is actually rubbish. Rubbish. Rubbish, 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 rubbish. Oh, order block. Order block. Right, I'm gonna get rid of that now because it's kind of confusing. Oops. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. No winning, glowing, the purchase of fun. Inversion, then defo longs. Longs to the moon, baby. Come on, invert that gap. Invert it. Invert it. Oh my gosh, it didn't invert. That's ridiculous. Anyone else targeting the quadruple relatively equal highs on the 1 hour? Quadruple? Quadruple? You mean on ES? Oh, these ones. Yeah, high key, that's like a final target, but ES is more bullish than NASDAQ right now. Hannah is just like sat next to me, just sighing all the time. All she does is just sigh to herself. She's like that's all she does. I'm like, girl, you okay? You okay, woman? Maxing, yeah, for real. She actually is maxing. I am gonna do the giveaway today, guys. By the way, I'm giving away a 50k standard today, and then tomorrow is the big giveaway where I'm giving away a 150k advanced Alpha Futures account, which are worth a lot of money. You know, like I'll actually Google. Oops, actually Google how much they're worth. It's actually a lot. I feel. Not Minecraft. Not Minecraft. Like, let me look how much they're worth. $419 a month, and you get like unlimited months, so it's actually fire. Actually fire. Okay, we're definitely waiting for 10 a.m. What's the 10 a.m. saying? Definitely bullish. Bullish. We're bullish. We're bullish. We're bullish. As soon as we've inverted that gap, like I'd be happy to go long with my stop at that long. Also have a 1 minute order block. Oops. This is a fire entry. I honestly think I would take this on a fun. Oh yes. Guys, the Discord is pinned if you want to join. It's completely free. Last week I did a Discord only giveaway, so make sure to get involved with those. I gave away 3 100k zero Alpha Futures accounts to my Discord community, and I also gave away 100 quid cash because I was feeling nice. Baller. I'm a baller, yeah. Baller. Baller alert. Oh my gosh, Hannah, what are you doing? Can I turn the camera on too? Please. Just dabbing behind my monitor, and it's not okay. We did not invert that gap. That's so ridiculous. Guys, always wait for inversions. Always wait for inversions, guys. Key to success. I don't know what this level is. I don't know where I've... Oh, it's this wick. Wow. Look at that. We respect that. That's kind of fire.
You going long or short? Oh, what's going on?
I wanted longs, but not yet. Not yet. I've got to do a meeting at 4 o'clock. So everyone make sure that I'm off stream by then, please, because I might forget. Might forget. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. This is so boring. Price action is so boring right now. Boring. Claudia is secretly rich testing us all, so don't switch up on her. For real. For real. Chase the top. I didn't chase shit. I didn't take anything, you idiot. You idiot. I was waiting for the inversion, but we did not get the inversion. Idiot people. Idiots. Hope you have a rubbish Christmas. Jokes, that's so horrible.
What the heck? Cancel her.
Cancelled. Guys, this PA is so ass. If you're trading this, then get a job. Get on Indeed.com right now. What is this? What is this price action? It's so rubbish. Can you get your foot off my chair, please? You've got your own whole chair.
What a shit chair.
No, you've not got a shit chair. That's actually horrible, you know. You know what? You can sit on the floor now.
I like the show.
Do you?
I spent enough time on it.
Yeah, you have spent a lot of time on my chair. Spent a lot of time in my office. Spent a lot of time in my chair. Spent a lot of time with me. Spent a lot of time.
What would you do without me? You want me here.
Rage baited.
Nibble.
Nibble.
Didn't want to go out the other day, and she wouldn't let me not.
Yeah, she was like, oh, I've got to stay in and do uni work. And I was like, please come out. And she was like, fine. It literally took me one message to persuade her. Like, I'm not being funny. Anna too nice for you. Are you being so for real? Have you ever met this woman?
I am too. I'm just a sweet little puppy.
You're not. You're actually the devil. You are evil. Hannah Trades is evil, guys. It's all a persona. She's manipulative. She's manipulating all of you.
Oh my gosh. Claudia is manipulating you right now.
Yeah. Hannah, you are my liquidity.
Oh.
Jokes. Come on, just give me an entry. Want to go long? Please. Please. Let me go long, please. Let me go long, please. Let me go long, please. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Bro. I feel that we should do the giveaway because this is so boring. Should we do the giveaway, guys? Let me know in the chat. Yeah. 3 minute, 2 minute, 1 minute. Ooh. Kapow, kapow. That's what I want to take when we invert that gap. Up to there. They're all waiting for it, I know. I can't believe someone said that you're too nice for me. That actually really annoyed me. Bro said mwahaha.
Lol.
Lol. Yeah. Okay. I will do the giveaway now because this is honestly so boring. How long have I been live for? 48 minutes. Oh my gosh, that's flown by. God, we know how to have a good time, don't we?
You're being used.
I'm being used by who?
You.
Why?
They want a count.
Oh, they want. Yeah, I know. No one's even here for the vibes. Everyone's just here for the giveaway, and it's so sad. That makes me really sad. I've got a couple of real ones though. Got a couple of real ones, but not many. Hannah Trades is not a real one.
Here we go.
She's only here so she can signal bot me because she knows how good I am at trading. Okay, we'll do the giveaway. If you want to enter the giveaway to win a 50k standard account, all you need to do is write in the chat, Claudia Trades. Don't write it more than once, otherwise Alan will hate you and he won't put you in the giveaway. So just write Claudia Trades in the chat and you are entered into my giveaway. If you want to submit extra entries for using my Alpha Futures code, make sure you've sent those over already because I'm just going to check my DMs to make sure there isn't anyone. I don't think there's anyone today, but there definitely is one for tomorrow. So yeah. Duck race again. Yeah, I'm definitely doing the duck race. The duck race is fire. Is he shorted? Like, how does she know?
He is the market maker.
Like, Izzy is actually the market maker. I'm not being funny, but she just knows. Did we have a 1 minute inversion gap on the open? Yeah, we did on a yes. Wow, she's so clever. Wow.
Clever
clogs, eh? Clever clogs. Please bear with me, guys. Alan will like get all your entries and send them over to me so I can do the duck race, but we've got to be patient with him. He's got a lot of people to put in, so I'm just gonna brain rot till then. Not gonna lie. Brain rot, brain rot, brain rot, brain rot. That's when you hit me with lightning.
Who are these people? What is that person doing?
Bro, why are you entering? I'm not being funny, but you're not winning. I'll spin it again. Why did you write it? Why? Hannah, you're banned. Let me size that account so I can wealth max. I need to wealth max. Right. Locking in. Hannah's locking in, guys.
Alan, don't ban me.
Yeah, there's way less people entering the giveaway today. It's usually like 60. Got this shit down. Bruh. Bruh. Yeah, this is absolute chop.
Is that what TS means? This shit?
Yeah.
Oh, that just meant this.
That means this shit.
Wow. Maybe I am edging 40. Not know that.
Is that right? This shit. I feel like it is.
Yeah, it makes sense. But I just thought it was like a shortened this.
No.
Interesting. Might use that. Might add that to the vocab. Got my nails done today, guys. You like?
No. This shit, yeah. What's going on, people? I've stepped away for Christmas week. Yeah, I'm really forward testing this week. Because everything just seems super slow to me. To be honest. Ooh. I'm not mean to do that. No. She's a man-eater. Honestly, I think shorts from like hair on NQ would have been kind of clean. Like there down to there. Like what I was targeting earlier, I think that was kind of a nice entry. That would have been nice, to be fair. I rate that. But I just think price action is so rubbish. Gosh, mank twang. Tell me when to stop, Claudia, because there isn't much people. Just stop now, it's fine. You trade GC2 or just the indices? I just trade the indices. I just trade NQ and ES. I don't really look at YM. To be honest.
Watch out.
That's it for the giveaway. Yeah, that's it. That's it for today. There's no one with extra entry today. People who have done it have moved it till tomorrow because it's the bigger one, which is fair enough.
No one complimented my nails.
Hmm?
No one complimented my nails.
No one complimented your nails.
Oh, my nails.
Did you?
Like them.
They're very boring.
Brother.
No, I'm just saying.
You're right. I am too nice for you. Oh, here she comes.
Oh, not have that chat on here. Oops, I was just seeing if Alan's let me the entries yet. What compliments are you waiting for? I'm not really waiting for anything, to be honest. Like, I liked shorts from here on the 3-minute. So that's probably the entry I would have taken. I'm only forward testing right now. So yeah, I like shorts down to the midpoint of the new day opening gap. I think that's quite a nice trade. But we just can't get this close over, this London low. I think once we have that, we're golden. We're golden. I sent it. Okay, cool. Alan sent me the names. Oh, Alan, triple B is for tomorrow. Because he wants to be in the 150k advanced giveaway, so I'll just take him out. Just copy those, and then let's do the giveaway. Let's do a duck race. Love the duck race. So fire. Okay. Names. There we go. Let's do 30 seconds on the clock. Okay. Let's see who's going to win the 50k standard account. Now, I just want to say this before we have a winner. If you do win, you do need to join the Discord and open a ticket to claim your account, just because it's easier for me when they're all in the same place, because I'm going to do all the winners from the stream at once. So I just want them all in one place. So please join the Discord. It is pinned in the chat on Alan's message at the top, and then open a ticket to say that you've won, and send a screenshot of your YouTube like dashboard with your username in, so that you can prove that it's you. Let's see who's going to win the 50k standard account.
The last one, you should do a really, really long duck race.
Yeah, like a 10-minute duck race.
Yeah.
Yeah, tomorrow. Wah. Ooh. Boom. Marcus Garley is the winner of the 50k standard account. Please open a ticket in the Discord to claim your 50k account. Yeah, thank you guys for playing. Tomorrow is the big giveaway, so make sure you guys are around on the stream tomorrow. Tomorrow is the big 150k advanced account giveaway, which is worth $420 a month. So you're getting your money's worth at Trademas. It's going to be the final day of Trademas tomorrow, which is kind of sad. We've had fun.
Yeah.
Haven't we had fun?
Yeah,
Hannah's been here every day, just sat in the corner, gawping and sighing. I'm probably going to hop off now, just because price action is very boring right now, and I feel like you've all probably got better things to do with your day than just watch price, like, off around. But yeah, I'll hopefully see you guys tomorrow for the finale. If you guys have any, like, fun things we can do throughout the stream, let me know. Like, maybe me and Hannah could play Fireboy and Water Girl or something.
Yeah.
Because price action is so boring right now, and I'm only forward testing because I want to, like, not blow my funded. So, yeah. Hopefully I'll see you guys tomorrow. And if I don't, have a great Christmas. Love you. Bye. Bye.